Now, Liv, so I've been watching you. You have been at like some type of resort and everything, and you have been having yourself a whole ball of fun. Now, Liv, I know you are totally excited that you ain't in this shit that is going around with your mommy Anna gang. Okay? I know you probably are looking in at the reactors videos and saying, bitches, I told you. It wasn't me, it was them. I would love to see your face when Meng got caught in that dumbass lie with the body security guard. I would have loved to see your face when Jazzy has been doing all this dumbass shit, but better yet, they say it's you. I would have loved to see your face with this shit that Chrissy is doing and what Bam has did to her. I would have loved to see your face when I basically drug the fuck out of her like she did you a couple of years ago. And all I gotta say, Liv, is I'm just here to tell you, baby, you are doing the thing. You are over there, and I'ma just have to see, this is the thing. When you a reactor, you gotta learn how to give a person credit where credit is due. Now, Liv, let's not get it twisted. I know that you are a little crazy. You get what I'm saying? I know that you'll go ahead and lie here and there, whatever. But, I even know, you know what I'm saying, that you gonna wear too small clothes. I know that. But we here. And I done told you, Liv, over and over. The next time you do that Fashion Nova haul, let me tell you something, Liv. You better not come on this camera with some too small shit. You better go to Nordstrom's and get yourself some damn Spanx. Don't come on here with that, Liv. And I ain't playing, girl. Don't. You over there being a boss? Be the boss and make sure that you come on this camera to do your Fashion Nova hauls and shut shit down. Alright? Now, getting back to this. I know you have been up in a whole uproar. You probably got all different types of butterflies in your stomach saying, well, damn, I ain't got shit to do with this. The only thing that I can do is fall back and look at these stupid bitches. That's it. Again, you probably going down the line and be like, oh, Ming, she tried to record me and some shit. Alright, she got me there, whatever. But did you basically just say the body baby guard tried to fuck with you? And then he literally got on his Instagram and whored the fuck out of you. I mean, the out of you. Yes. You ever see somebody in a video and they get whored or whatever and you feel like the shit happened to you? When he whored her the way that he did, my face was like, damn, that ain't even me. And I feel that shit. Going back to it again. Then you got Chrissy. Bam. Then fucking took her to the cleaners. She don't even know what to do with herself. She over here trying to dox people with information that everybody already knows. Her and the dumbass person that told her that shit. Then you got Jasmine over here. Jasmine is just a fucking complete train wreck at any given moment. So Liv sitting over there back like, fuck, like, damn, this is some shit. I'm over here selling out of eyelashes and shit. They over there making whole videos to promote their eyelashes or whatever, and I'm still selling out of shit. How the fuck does that happen? Gerard, do you see this shit? Gerard, I tried to tell you so many times that I was better than these bitches. Now you see. Gerard, do you see? Gerard, do you know they was always mad at me because, you know what I'm saying, that we was married or whatever? Now, Gerard, I'm sorry for saying, you know, that stuff that I said in Ming's voicemail, but, you know, it is what it is. But we can go ahead and move on from that. I'm sorry, Gerard. Gerard, when you go to work, if it's any females around, could you go ahead and give them my business card so they could go ahead and buy, you know, some butterfly lashes? That's what Liv over there doing. That's what Liv over there doing. Only thing, you know what I'm saying, Chrissy over there doing is right now is, yeah, I heard, because my girlfriend called me and asked me if I wanted to buy some stamps. Each child, because of this thing that's going on, the coronavirus, they are giving each child $370 in food stamps. So you go ahead and you add up $370 times 8 kids. You know what that means? Bitches, it's gonna be some seafood bros going on. I'm here to tell y'all. Chrissy gonna be doing some seafood bros and that Cooking with Chrissy channel in a minute. Jasmine gonna be doing some because she gets $370 for each one of her kids. Y'all better get ready for it. Crabs, shrimp, corn, potatoes, eggs, sausages. That's what's getting ready to go down. It's definitely getting ready to go down, y'all. Now, like I said, this is some crazy shit. It really is. But Liv, I gotta commend you because, baby, you are definitely being the boss. Only thing I'm gonna tell you is, Liv, and you gonna listen to me this time because I know you gonna watch this video. Girl, you better not come back on here with no Fashion Nova hauls without some shapewear on, Liv. Stop it. Discontinue that right now. Listen to me clearly. Okay? Please, if you don't listen to nothing else I say, be like, yeah, she told me to go get some shapewear and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do it. See, Liv, this is the thing, Liv. Liv, you know what make me mad at you? I'm going to tell you why. You do a little bit of lying, but you have a beautiful face. Beautiful. So therefore, that face that you tend to beat up in the mirror, make sure that you go and you make sure that you are all pulled together at all times. Okay? Make sure that no one can say anything about you when it comes to how you look. Okay? Because see, one thing about me on here, only thing that you can say is that, oh, she wears that wig all the time. That's about it. But as in when I come onto the camera, every time, because I go to the thrift store and only get my stuff from the thrift store, remember, I am pulled together. When I am not on camera, I am always pulled together. When I go to my kids' school, teachers, everyone, when I am out and about, I get complimented all the time. All the time. So with that being said, Liv, get your shit together, alright, right now, last time I'm going to tell you, get your shit together. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to exit off of here. And until my next video, guys, see you later. And like I said in the last video, never fucking quit.